Before you make your company, ask yourself, is it going to be trading or non-trading? When it's a trading company, there's an active business going on, whether it's e-commerce, cafe, restaurant, or service business. However, if it's a non-trading company, aka holding company, it means it holds assets. Normally, people put their investment properties under the holding company. Why? Because investment property is their assets, and it gives them passive income. Generally speaking, for holding companies, there's no staff members, there's no products that they're selling. They're truly just collecting the passive income and protect the assets. And let's say you have one cafe business and 5 investment properties. Your accountant will advise you, put your cafe under trading company and 5 investment properties under holding company. But if you put one cafe and 5 investment properties all under trading company, you're going to get taxed a lot. Because when the ATO calculates your income, they're going to combine your cafe income and your investment properties income. Your income is now doubled, and therefore your tax is going to be a lot. That's why people separate their investment properties to holding company, so they can structure their tax more flexibly, and they can get asset protection as well. Same thing to trust as well. You can have a trading trust or non-trading trust. The difference between having company and trust is that if you have a company, it's going to get taxed at 25%. If it's a trust is not going to get taxed, but the beneficiary is going to get taxed. So it really depends on how much money you're going to distribute to your beneficiaries. So let's say I have 100K. Under my company, it's going to get taxed 25%, but under my trust, it really depends how am I going to distribute. I could say my son can have 30K, my daughter can have 30K, I'm going to have 40K. So each of us going to get taxed accordingly. Depends on how much we got from the trust income. This kind of information, your accountant will give you more in-depth knowledge, but it's very important that you know what you exactly want, because when you set up your company or trust, you need to explain what the purpose is for and the activity that you're going to do in your company or trust.